Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Humimeter FL2 hay and straw moisture meter. The moisture meter is designed for measuring hay and straw with its very stable fixed mounted stainless steel 60cm insertion probe. This moisture meter measures 8 to 60% moisture content and features automatic averaging, a hold function, integrated memory, automatic temperature compensation and a resolution of 0.1%. In the box there's a compression plate for bulk material, a thorough operating manual detailing features, functions and troubleshooting of the FL2 hay and straw moisture meter, and the hay moisture meter with a stainless steel probe, sharp penetration tip, large clear LCD and 4 buttons. The meter is encased in an included shockproof rubber boot for extra protection. The device can be used to take both simple and more complex measurements, with the most simple being turning the meter on, selecting the type of hay or straw, then taking a measurement. For the full features and specifications of this meter, view the product page on the Instrument Choice website. Details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.